Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide for today will provide you with detailed instructions on how to get rid of the new adware type application that is called DynamicLush. DynamicLush is the adware attacking Mac computers only. We have made the research of this particular adware called DynamicLush, and we found out that this particular adware belongs to the adload malware family, and it indeed operates as the typical adware. We were looking for the new submissions to the virus total database, and we discovered this adware attacking Mac computers. So we tested it and we found that it shows a lot of advertisements that are not really associated with the website that you visit. However, adware may not display advertisements if certain conditions are not met. For instance, it will not show ads if browser or system is incompatible and if visits to particular websites are not made, and so on. However, regardless of whether DynamicLush delivers advertisements or not, its presence on a system endangers the device and customer safety. Therefore, if you have discovered DynamicLush to be the part of your Mac, access your Finder, go to Applications, find these DynamicLush applications among the programs, right-click on them, and move it to the trash. If you find any other suspicious software that you don't need, you may right-click on them and similarly move it to the trash. To make sure that your Mac computer is free of any other concealed threats, I recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install the software, then you need to wait until it updates the antivirus or anti-malware database. This process might take several minutes. Click on Start Combo Scan button. The program will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. It is initially in the trial mode. In my case, it's the premium, but initially after you first download it, it will be in the trial mode. But even the trial mode has got certain free features such as disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. You need to wait until the scanning has been completed in order to see the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan. Combo Cleaner works exceptionally well in terms of identifying threats like adware, browser hijackers, unwanted browser extensions, pop-ups, potentially unwanted applications, and other threats. At the end of the scan, click on Review Results. You may also notice some strange pop-ups. Combo Cleaner will help you to get rid of all such strange pop-ups that may be the result of adware. We recommend that you upgrade to Premium to delete all this malware automatically from your system and keep your Mac always protected in the future.